Welcome to Tally Learning Hub. In this session, you will learn how to access business reports online using TallyPrime. Using TallyPrime, you can access reports from a web browser, on mobile, or any device, anywhere with utmost security. Let's start with a quick one-time setup. Press Alt+K for Company, Connect. Select the company. Select the Tally.net user. If you wish to add a new email ID, select New User. Mention email ID. Press Y to authorize the access. Authenticate the request using your admin credentials. That's it. You are all set to access the reports from mobile or any device. Here is a quick tip. In case you wish to have controlled access and manage more users, you can enable security control from the company menu. Next, let's log in and access the reports. Visit www.tallysolutions.com on your mobile or any device. Log in using your Tally.net ID and password. Select the company that you want to access. There you go. Reports are ready to access. You can select the report and drill down to see more finer details. Navigate back by pressing Back key. The best part is that as you rotate your device, the screen adapts to it. You can change the date range by clicking on the Date field. Click on the report name to toggle between the different reports quickly. What's more, you can download the reports and invoices in PDF or Excel and share them instantly. To download a report, press the menu option available on the left side. Select Download. The downloaded file will be available on your device. Similarly, you can download invoices and share it with your client. Here is a quick recap of things we learned in this session. Quick one-time setup to add users and connecting company. Log in and access reports on mobile or other devices. Downloading reports and invoices in PDF as well as Excel.